In this video, I will show you how to add a phone call button to your website and hosting your website builder. To get started, go ahead and search for the code for this phone call button on W3 Schools. Now, after you look for the code, head over into Hostinger and sign in into your account. Now, once you're signed into your account, go ahead and head over into the website section. Under it, go ahead and click on the website list. Scroll down and look for that specific website that you want to add it. So go ahead and click on that edit website button beside that specific website to be able to modify this website and add your code into your website. Now, once you're on your website, go ahead and scroll down into the section where you want to place this phone call button. Click on the add element tool and scroll down on this list to be able to find the embed code tool. Drag that into your chosen area, and in here, go ahead and click on that enter code button. Now, after you click on that, go ahead and head back into W3 Schools and copy this code. Now, once you have copied the code, go ahead and head back into hosting your website builder and go ahead and paste the code into this section. Now click on that embed code button and the phone call button will be reflected into your website. So you can go ahead and resize that and drag that to the area where you want to place it. And go ahead and click on that update website button at the top right of your screen for that to be reflected into your website. And that's basically how you can add a phone call button to your website and hosting your website builder. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.